Some of you have been designing buildings that have a fancier side or front or back even, and once you've gotten all your rectangles laid out, then you've been attempting to put them together and then apply the 0.25 in yellow so that the laser cutter will cut it. And when we do that, the laser cutter is going to want to cut every single rectangle, so we need to find a way to erase those lines in between. So first of all, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to select all of your shapes that you want joined, and I'm holding the Shift button while I do it. Once I've got all the shapes kind of highlighted there, I want to align it vertically to the bottom, and then I can start moving them towards each other. Kind of helps to get them aligned first, and then right when you hit that color pink, it knows that it's joined with the other one. Okay, so here's my shape. Now, if I send this to the laser cutter right now, it will not cut it, and, well, it will cut it, but it will cut each individual rectangle, which I do not want. So I want to erase essentially all these internal lines. The erase tool does not work in that sense, so click on Window, click on Pathfinder, and I want to unite. So if I hit unite right now, nothing happens. I need to select it first. So I'm going to hold that Shift button, select all of my items, and then I'm going to hit unite, and you'll notice all those internal lines went away. And now I'm going to select my shape. I am going to go up here, select that yellow color, and then I'm going to change it to a 0.25 font or 0.25 stroke, and then you'll notice you can hardly even see it, and that is perfect. That's exactly how it should be. If you're ready to add windows and doors and other things and you're not remembering how, open up that prior screencast and it will show you how to get all those in there and how to align them as well. Okay, I hope you have fun.